Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, fabric crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Welcome back to my crafts corner. Today we are going to explore some funny and fun and creative fabric crafts ideas that you can make at home. Don't worry, you don't need fancy tools. Just take some old fabric, scissor, glue and a little bit of your time, friends. And let's start with the first idea. Fabric flower. Cut circle of fabric or fold them in half and stitch or glue them in the center. Join 5 or 6 petals together and you have a cut little flowers. You can use this to decorate. You can use this to decorate handbags, cloth or even gift wrap. Second idea, fabric keychains. Cut small shapes like heart, star or circle. Stitch 2 pieces together and fill with cotton. Add a key rings and you have a soft colorful keychains. Third idea, fabric bookmark. Cut a strip of fabric, glue it on cardboard and add a small bow or buttons on top. These are perfect for kids and book lovers. Fourth idea, fabric storage basket. Take old jeans or thick fabric, cut into rectangle and swing the side together. Fold the top edges outward for a clean look. These baskets are great for keeping your crafts, prints or makeup organizer. Fabric wall hanging. Stitch fabric over an embroidery hook or glue it on cardboard and hang it on your wall. You can even paint or stitch guide on it for a personal touch. And last idea, fabric crochet. Cut square or circle fabric, swing into